So, good day everyone. We're Group 7 and today we're presenting our final project in ergonomics. Our concept is thoughtfully designed cafe called the Seek and Sip. We'll walk you through the design elements we chose to create a comfortable, engaging, and functional environment for both staff and customers. Next slide, please. So this slide showcases the layout of the Seek and Sip, a modern cafe with a blend of indoor and outdoor spaces. The top-down view highlights the spacious outdoor dining area, cozy garden lounge, and the main indoor seating with a service counter and restrooms. So a parking area is located to the right with a landscape path leading to the entrance, and the side images show the cafe's stylish exterior and rooftop seating, adding to its inviting urban charm. Next slide. So the second sip is located in PF Aguirre, Parañaque, a vibrant community area known for its unique food spots. So we chose this location for its foot traffic and cultural vibe, which aligns perfectly with our goal to offer a peaceful yet engaging cafe experience. Next slide, please. So our mission is to provide a soulful space where people can slow down and enjoy over a cup of something special. The vision is to become a community staple that goes beyond coffee, supporting creativity and inspiration. So our goals include offering quality, locally sourced products and fostering an inclusive and culturally rich atmosphere. Next slide, please. So we're targeting four main groups, which are local residents, students, tourists, and our offerings are customized to people looking for either cozy, corner study, a light commute, or just a relaxing coffee break. Next.
Good evening, everyone. Hisler speaking. So, our menu reflects our commitment to quality and thoughtful creation. On the left, you'll find our beverage offerings divided between coffee and non-coffee options. Our coffee selection features classics like Americano, Cappuccino, and lattes, along with our signature caramel macchiato. For those seeking alternatives, we offer a diverse non-coffee selection, including matcha latte, chai latte, and especially milk teas that pay homage to regional flavors. On the right, our dessert menu showcases both international favorites and Filipino classics, from rich chocolate cake and buttery croissants to local treasures like ensaymada. That soft fluffy pastry topped with butter, sugar, and cheese that perfectly balances sweet and salty notes. Each item is described with care to highlight its distinctive qualities and handcrafted nature. Next slide, please. So, the time of operation of Sick and Sip, we welcome guests daily from 10 a.m. to 12 a.m., 7 days a week. Our extended hours accommodate early risers seeking morning inspiration as well as night owls looking for a peaceful and evening retreat. Next slide, please. Next is for our color scheme. Our color palette creates an inviting and natural ambience through a thoughtful combination of earthy tones. Rich browns anchor the space and create visual depth, while soft beige and tan hues add warmth and brightness throughout the area. Deep forest green accents provide refreshing contrast while connecting our interior to natural elements. This palette complements our wooden furnishings and floors, creating a cohesive environment that feels simultaneously modern and timeless. The overall effect is one of sophisticated comfort, a space that feels polished yet approachable, designed to make guests feel both stimulated and at ease, regardless of the time of day or purpose of their visit. Next slide, please. Next is illuminations. Lighting at the Seek and Sip is designed to enhance both mood and function throughout the day. Our interior features soft overhead and pendant lighting with warm tones that accentuates our color palette while providing balanced contrast to lighter surfaces. Natural light plays a crucial role through our large windows, creating bright, airy spaces during daylight hours that showcase our natural tones and greenery. As evening approaches, our outdoor fixtures create a soft ambient glow that transforms the space into a cozy, intimate setting. This transition from energizing daylight to gentle evening illuminations supports the cafe's shifting purpose from productive morning workspace to relaxed evening gathering spot, creating a dynamic environment that evolves within the hours. Next slide, please. So next is we have the acoustics, noise, and music. We've engineered our soundscape with the same care as our visual elements. Thoughtful acoustic treatments, including soft furnishings, wood finishes, and ambient diffusers, create an environment where conversations feel private without isolation. Our layout balances lively energy with quieter corners, using noise absorbing materials and strategic zoning to minimize disruptions. You won't hear the espresso machine when you're reading in a nook or someone else's call when you're journaling by the window. Music at the Seek and Sip follows the rhythm of the day, gentle acoustic and lo-fi beats in the morning transition to soulful jazz, mellow R&B in the afternoon, followed by the dreamy instrumentals in the evening. This curated soundtrack isn't just a background noise, it's an essential element rather of our atmosphere designed to complement each moment of the cafe's experience. Next slide, please.
This is Angela speaking. So, for our temperature and scent, our sensory experience extends beyond what you see. The Sick and Sip maintains a consistently comfortable temperature between 21 to 23 degrees Celsius, creating an environment that feels fresh yet cozy. This balanced climate is ideal for both relaxation and productivity. For scent, we have crafted a subtle signature blend that combines notes of fresh coffee, natural wood, and hints of greenery. Gentle undertones of vanilla and fresh pastries add warmth without overwhelming the space. This aromatic profile creates an inviting atmosphere that enhances the overall cafe experience while remaining subtle and refined. So for our furnishing, it blends minimalist design with natural materials to create a space that feels both contemporary and timeless. Light wood tables and clean lined chairs form the foundation of our aesthetic, complemented by soft neutral upholstery that invites comfort. Strategic touches of greenery and subtle textures add warmth and personality without creating visual clutter. Each piece has been selected for both function and comfort, resulting in cohesive environment that supports various activities from focused work to relaxed socializing, all within our thoughtfully curated aesthetics. In our table appointments, the Sick and Sip offers varied seating arrangement that balance personal comfort with community connection. Our soft lounge areas features cushioned armchairs and side tables, creating intimate spaces for quiet reflection or one-on-one conversations. The long communal table accommodates both collaborative gatherings and solo visitors who enjoy ambient social energy while working independently. Natural light floods large windows, while plants and warm wood tones enhance the welcoming atmosphere. Our acoustic design ensures conversation remain private without sacrificing the gentle buzz that gives cafes their distinctive energy. So our types of chairs, we have carefully selected four key seating types to serve different needs preferences. First is our signature armchair, a sturdy wooden piece with clean lines, wide armrests, and comfortable beige cushioning with subtle green accents. For our second chairs, our compact dark green stools with wooden frames, simple, versatile, and perfect for quick visits. Third, classic wooden side chairs with tall rectangular backrests, supportive, timeless, and ideal for our dining or desk use. So finally, our love seat, a two-seater that complements our armchairs with the same wooden frame style and trim cushions, complete with accent pillows that ties our color story together. So for the shape and size, the second seat features a thoughtfully designed rectangular floor plan spanning two levels. Our ground floor houses the main cafe kitchen, service counter, and restroom within approximately 120 square meters with large windows maximizing the natural light. The upper floor mirrors this footprint with 120 square meters of rooftop lounge space divided between the covered pergola areas and enclosed sunroom style sections. Both levels are accessible via open staircases. Surrounding the structure, our outdoor courtyard and garden plots adds approximately 60 square meters of all fresco seating, seamlessly extending our cafe experience into the surrounding greenery. This layout creates a total footprint of 300 square meters that balances intimacy with generous space for our community.
Cassandra speaking. As we transition to our mood board, you'll see how all the design elements we've discussed come together to create the second seat experience. These images showcase our vision from multiple perspectives, the cozy interior spaces with our signature green stools and light wood tables, our comfortable lounges areas designed for lingering conversations, and our distinctive rooftop garden that provides a peaceful escape above the bustle of BF Aguirre. Each area has been thoughtfully designed to support our mission for creating a space where every cup sparks conversation, comfort, and connection. Next slide, please. The interior of the second sip is built around a warm, natural color palette that you can see displayed on the left, a harmonious blend of forest green, cream, sage, rich brown, and warm beige. These colors create the foundation of our inviting space. And our service area features a statement black coffee roaster labeled simply coffee, highlighting our focus on quality beverages. The mint green display cases showcase our freshly baked pastries, all within an environment that balances functionality with comfort. Notice how our seating options vary from round pedestal tables with green stools for quick visits to larger wooden tables for group gatherings or longer work sessions. The light wood flooring anchors the space while white curtains filter the natural light, creating the bright yet gentle atmosphere that changes beautifully throughout the day. Next slide. So, moving to our lounge and outdoor spaces, we've created areas designed for relaxations and connections. The wooden pergola with climbing vines forms a natural canopy that provides dappled shade while connecting guests to natural elements. Our furniture selection continues the thoughtful simplicity of our interior with comfortable armchairs and a love seat featuring cream cushions with subtle green accents. Notice the love seat's decorative pillow with its subtle tribal inspired pattern. These small details add personality without overwhelming the space. We've added lifestyle elements that reflect our values and enhance the atmosphere. A record player for our curated music selection, stacked books to encourage slow moments, and potted plants throughout to improve air quality, and well being. The geometric area rug adds visual interest while defining the sitting area, creating a sense of intimacy within our open concept design. The rooftop sitting area shown in the top right extends our cafe experience upward, offering guests a unique perspective and additional connections to the surrounding neighborhood. Next slide. And here you can see the second seat sits within its environment on BF Aguirre. Our modern container-inspired structure features extensive glass walls that blur the boundary between inside and outside, allowing natural light to flood the space while providing views of the surrounding greenery. The street view in the center shows how our cafe integrates with the neighborhood, with thoughtful landscaping that creates a welcome approach. You can see the pink flowering trees that add a touch of color to our otherwise earthy palette. The floor plans reveal our efficient use of space. Notice the distinctive radial floor pattern in several areas, which not only creates a visual interest but subtly guides movement through the cafe. The outdoor garden spaces are integrated throughout with planters and greeneries that soften the building's lines and create pockets of nature within our urban setting. Our layout is designed to accommodate various types of visitors, from solo workers seeking concentration to friends gathering for connection, all within cohesive environment that feels both spacious and intimate. Next slide. So, for joining us in this journey through the Sip and Sip concept. What you've seen today is more than just a cafe design. It is our vision for creating a soulful space where the South's community can gather, connect, and feel at home. Thank you.